I've been looking for you everywhere. It's Lenny. He's back again.
So, what's that got to do with me?
He's causing trouble.
Why waste your time looking for me then? You should be dealing with him.
That's the thing. You're the only one who can beat him in a showdown.
Yeah, but I don't do that anymore.
But we need you. You're the best, and we need you. Just one more time. Pick up your Nerf gun, and let's go.
That's just it. I can't pick up the gun anymore.
Why? You're the best I've ever seen.
I might have been, but not anymore. Now, I'm just afraid I'll hurt someone else.
Okay, so make that somebody Lenny.
It's not that easy.
What happened to you? You used to be out there every day, shooting your darts in every which way.
I shot a kid.
So what? Accidents happen.
Accidents do happen. But this... It all happened a while back now. I was out just shooting. Then a crowd began to form. So I thought I'd put on a little show. It was all going so well. But then I had a misfire. Time seemed to slow down as I saw that dart heading towards that kid. The dart was moving too quickly. He couldn't get out of the way in time. Then it hit him. It hit him square in the balls.
I managed to sit up. From here I could check out the room. From the carpet, I could tell this wasn't my house. And all this talk about curtains was nonsense.